Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to insert and format image in MS Word. Okay, clear? This is very interesting to work with image and format the image. In this video you all will learn how to insert the image in MS Word and how will you format. Format means what? How will you change the appearance of your image? Okay, clear? So this is the video I am going to make for editing and formatting the image. Clear? So now you follow the steps which I am going to do here. Now you all can see I have created a blank document for inserting image. Okay, you have to click on the insert option. Okay, insert tab is available. Okay, now you will see here picture option is available here. You can click on this. A dialog box will appear to insert the picture. Now you see where the image has been images are available in your system. Clear? So it is up to you from where you are going to insert the image. Now suppose I am going to insert this image. Okay, you select it and now you can click on the insert option. Okay, you will see an image appears in your document. Okay, what you see, an image appears in your document. This is the image which has appeared, which I have inserted in MS Word. Okay, so as you will see here. Okay, as you insert the image and select the image, for selecting image you have to click on the image. Okay, and after selecting you will see a format tab will appear. This is the main tab in which you have to work. Okay, by using the format tab you can change the appearance, style, and even you can add the 3D effects in your image. Okay, so now I am going to click on the format tab. You must keep in your mind this tab will appear when you select the image. Clear? Okay, you will say this much of options are available in MS Word. Okay, clear? The first option is given here, remove background. Okay, what you can see, by using this option you can remove the background of your picture. For this you click. Okay, options have been given here. You can select the area through which you want to remove the background. You can see here I have selected, the backgrounds are getting removed. Okay, clear? So if you want to change, you click here, keep change. Okay, or if you want to discard, that means cancel these changes, you can click on the cancel or discard all changes. Okay, so it is up to you. Suppose I have keep changes. Okay, so what you see here, the backgrounds are removed of this image. So this option is used to remove the background of your image. The next option you can see here, corrections. Okay, you can see the effects. It adds the effect of your image. Either effect is solid, soft, low, high. You can see here the brightness are getting increased. Okay, this is the normal picture. You can see here. Okay, by using this you can. Okay, I have done this. Now suppose you want to change the color of your picture, you can change the color. Okay, clear? You can even make the black and white image. You can see here colors are getting changed. Okay, one by one I am showing you. Okay, so as you want you can select the color. Okay, once again you can change the color. Okay, clear? So this is the image of your color. Clear? This option is used to, okay, artistic effect. Okay, you can see here what changes are done in the picture. Okay, clear? Artistic effects are here. Okay, you can even blur your image picture. Clear? You can change the look and appearance of your picture. Clear? Now this option is used to compress the picture. Compress means what? Suppose the size of your picture is too large. Okay, the large images cannot be sent through the mail, cannot be uploaded on the websites, so you need to reduce the size of the picture. So you can click on the compress the picture, it will reduce the size of the picture. Okay, this option is used to change the picture. By using this you click on change the pictures, select from file, and you can select any picture. Okay, in place of it has replaced the current picture. Okay, clear? Now you come here, picture style. This is very important. Okay, you can see here what changes are. Okay, you can see here. Okay, I have made this change here. Okay, like this. Okay, clear. Now picture border, suppose you want to add the border, outlines are here. Clear, you can add the outlines, you can change the color of the outlines. Okay, you can see here, by using this you can change the color of your outline. Okay, clear. After that you can add the dash. Clear. Next, picture effects. Okay, what you say. Clear, you can see the picture effects. Clear. Okay, this is your picture effect. Okay, shadows, you can see the shadow here. Clear, shadows are here. Clear. Reflection, you can see reflection of your image. Clear. After that, glow, like this. Clear. After that, soft edge, edges will be removed. Okay, clear. Next, now suppose that this is your picture and you have written a paragraph. Okay, you select the image, you will come to the format tab. Okay, now I am going to teach you positions. Okay, clear. You can set the positions like this, as you see it in the newspapers. Okay, you can resize it. Okay, clear. Now this is your position. Okay, so by using this you can change the position of your image one by one, you can see here. Okay, clear. So this is the position of your image. Okay, clear. Next, wrapping text. Okay, inline, this is inline option. Okay, clear. Square, you can see here. Clear, square is here. Okay, square is formed here. Clear. Tight, tightly packed. Okay, through, you can see here. Clear. Through option is here, you can see top and bottom. Clear. After that, behind the text, the image is sent behind the text. Okay, after that, in front of the text. Okay, clear. After that, edit with points. Okay, clear. Move with text. Okay, so this is called text wrapping. Okay, clear. After that, suppose you want to reduce the size of the image, this is called cropping. Okay, cropping option is used. Okay, so you click on the crop option, you will see the option crop. Okay, you can crop the picture. Okay, clear. You select the area you want to keep in your picture. Okay, and remove rest, press the enter key. Clear. And now you can click on the crop. Okay, clear. Press the enter key or click on the crop, it will crop the image. Okay, clear. Next is crop in shape. You can see here some shapes are predefined, shapes are given here. Okay, you can crop like this. Okay, you can see here I am using the options. Clear. Now you can see here. Okay, so these are the options which are used with the picture. So it is very interesting, you try it. If you like it, then subscribe my channel and share the videos. Okay, thanks.